God say I know. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for no birthday. So. I don't feel a birthday. I don't feel a belly. I don't feel a birthday. Yeah, I got tired, but not for now. I just do what I can do little by little. I not got tired. I got tired, but not for now. To eat, no. Use how much time I say watch hungry. I'm tell you say yeah, I'm hungry for true. Friday I come on my birthday, the 27th. Friday, the 27th Friday, my birthday. And God say I know I'm not feel it. June, yeah. If it's your more, Angel, thank you so much. If it's your more, finish up everything, the like the work and everything, the more done the bathroom and stuff like that. We just buy material. Yeah, I'm tell myself some more everything done for my birthday. You know me? More everything done for my birthday. That's how more. That's what I'm saying. From a Christian perspective, the summer solstice celebrated June 20. Oh, the whole family, Nezrisha. The whole family on about June month. Yeah, man, I saw come on live more often because I was gonna say the work I finish and me I tell you because me and me you know them they are work that's day I mean too because you know the money not enough so for help 1 and 2 times. I'm a cancer. Yeah. Getting up here now. So me just go for some stone. Just go for some stone a while ago, so I'm tired. Yes, I easy on this. Look tired, yeah, I'm tired, man. I'm hungry. Tired, I'm hungry. Somebody can buy me some cement. Somebody can buy me 10 bags of cement. Gosh. That's okay. If I work, you have to tired, you know. 10 bags of cement. Want some tile. Anna, what go on? Want 10 bags of cement. Want 10 bags of cement. With the lights present, there's a reason why this both goes in but perspective purposes. Distancing from of course, while acknowledging historical pagan connections to the song solstice, many Christians, and we understand why, choose to focus solely on the biblical and spiritual interpretation than just the physicality. This is kind of like I want to 10 bags. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure, but I think at 2,100 or so for one. 2,100 or something like that for one. 1,800 for one. 1,900 around that for one. How much you pay for the 10 God's child?
With Arnion to some solstice based on its physical manifestations could inspire deeper spiritual reflection and celebration. Longest period of daylight, shortest night of the year, and the time versus true for the winter solstice. Of course, here in the Caribbean, we're closer to
Alright, the person who said them can buy for you can message me. The person who said them can buy for you can message me. Guys, anybody mention anything about Annie on the live? Moderator, don't block them, please mute them. Mute them. Me I try to me I fix up my place. Me I try to that me I do. That me I focus on me. 22,000 for the 10 bag. Okay. Alright, so somebody reach out and say them can buy me 4 bag. 4. So we need 6 more bag. Who can buy with 2 more bag, 6 more bag? We can buy 2, that's it. Alright. Message me, please. When at the party Friday. Friday at the party, also Friday my birthday. And I want this, I want my place for done by Friday. You see me inside, which by the bed go with the TV, they basically done. You see me? You know, tools, hardware and Slipe Road. No. Friday I'm saying a 50. Alright, Nash. Alright, Nash, I have faith in you. We need cement. No, we need cement.
Hi, Kevin.
Hi, hold on, God bless. We need more steel to car. We are go cast it up. We are going to sneak peek. God bless. Send back the request 1 minute here.
Yeah.
That's it, man. I'm going to sneak peek. When I go in the for show, them I'm a cost, but man.
That's all I have to try for the day. That's fine. I'm going to know how to material in there.
You ready to Carolina the material?
Yes, I can go out. Oh, yeah, no, man, that's something else.
And board even loaded.
Spider-Man! Spider-Man!
Dog, among the bossy.
That's cool, man. I did myself. Oh my God. Father God. Yeah, look good. Look with it. I'm going to say. Truckstar, let me extension you in there, the father. So, look. When the time look. Fabulous. Alright, I'm gonna start add. I'm gonna add my friend first. Let me extension, bro. My phone is dead.
Yes. Let me spit blood.
Say hello. Hi.
second.
We don't have no money for run the boat, that's why the boat not run. Chuck sir, I can borrow the extension please. Yeah, look at 95 would I do would I carry the thing away. Yeah, but right now my own thing, I want to kick off. I don't want to go back and work for the boss boy. I want to kick off my own thing. Chalice, tell the doctor to let me extension.
The